is David Stroffolino, and I'm the chef working for FLIK School Dining here at Holy Comfort Episcopal School. Today, we're going to make kale chips. I know we're all sitting at home right now during the quarantine, and we're probably all snacking a lot. We're probably eating some unhealthy food. So today, we're going to make a healthy snack. So, if you look on our website, you can find this recipe. You only need 3 things. You need kale, olive oil, salt and pepper, 4 things. So, we're going to take our kale. We've already cleaned, washed, and dried this. And you can use a knife if you want, but I like to just rip the pieces off. What you're looking for is you want to make sure you get rid of this big stem in the middle. That's not going to be easy. So just take the pieces, tear them into little pieces. Should be about that big. About the size of a potato chip. Alright, once we've got all our kale in the mixing bowl, we're going to take a little bit of oil, less than you think, and just drizzle it around. A little bit of sea salt. A little bit of black pepper. Now, at this point, you want to take your hands and you want to massage it in a little bit. The trick you're trying to do is get all of the kale completely coated with the oil. That'll make it cook evenly and help crisp it up really good. If you don't do this step, only part of it's going to get covered in oil. This is going to shrink down really a lot, so you don't want to over season it. But you can taste it at this point and see what it tastes like. You could add whatever seasonings you want. If you want to put some garlic powder on there, if you want to put some cayenne pepper, if you want to put some lemon zest, Cajun seasoning would work well, whatever you want. Alright, so as you see, it's all evenly coated with oil and with the salt and pepper. So now I've got my cooking tray, and I've got lined with some paper. We're going to spread this out even. So, we're going to take this, we're going to put this into a 225-degree oven, and this is going to cook for between 35 and 45 minutes. If you're a little nervous your first time, go down to 200 degrees and cook it for an hour. That's the way I like it. Low and slow, and it'll get really crispy and really delicious. All right, let me go put this in the oven. I'll be right back. When this comes out of the oven, it is crispy. It's like a potato chip. Delicious. Kale, full of vitamin A and C as well as calcium. So when you're sitting there watching TV, you got a little bowl of this. Instead of eating unhealthy potato chips, you eat this. Thanks guys. See you next time.